Watch how this little square turns into the cutest kitties ever. If you are in a rush and you need last-minute gifts, and you can craft with yarn, with fabric, even socks, this kitty might save you. The sewing part is just important. You can use any yarn you like, even teddy yarn, everything, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. I will share a lot of videos and ideas very soon. Your crocheter bestie. Mwah. Chain as many lengths as you want. I chain 12 plus 1 extra chain for the turning chain. Now we will half double crochet in the very next chain till the end, like this. Now we have 2 loops on the hook and yarn over again, pull all the loops together. Again, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain, and then yarn over again. We have 3 loops on the hook, so yarn over 3 loops together. Chain 1 and turn your work, and repeating this manner until your piece forms a nice rectangle when folded in the half. Begin sewing the 2 sides of the rectangle together evenly from corner to top. Now start sewing the 2 sides together for finishing the body, and then secure it with knots. It's a little bit cursed now, but it will be okay, and you can push the tails into the body to make it disappear. Fold the crocheted piece in a half and check with the body if it's good or not. Then we will start sewing the 2 sides together. And the sewing is simple, nothing special, nothing new. You know that how to do this, but you should follow the pattern that I am showing you right now. You should sew it like this, and then the head will be completed. But we have another part that we should put stuffing and then close the head completely. When you finish the sewing, you can shape the ears with your fingers to make it pointier, and then we will put the stuffing in the head as much as we can, and then close in the head like that. Ta-da! So cute. If you want, you can sew like that or like this, and we will sewing it to the body. It doesn't have any pattern to sew that. You can easily do that, freehanded. Okay, just put the head on the body, and wherever you want to sew it, you will sew to the body and make it secure. The next part is to make the tail. We will chain as many as we want and then half double crochet it once. Sew that to the body too, and that's it.